Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to connect a custom domain to Base44. So in order to do this, first of all log into your Base44 dashboard and open the project you want to connect a domain to. I'm going to choose apps and choose my project. Now, you'll have to simply click on the dashboard icon just right here and choose domains. Now, as you can see, you'll be easily able to add a custom domain just right here. So it says custom domains are available on our builder plan and above. Upgrade to connect your domain to this app. So click on view plans, choose a plan. After choosing this, you can simply go to your domain registrar like GoDaddy, Namecheap, Google Domains and update your DNS settings. So add a CNAME record for www pointing to base44.onrender.com. And if your registrar supports a name or alias, use that for the root domain pointing to base44.onrender.com. Otherwise, add an a record pointing to 216.24.57.1. Then save your DNS changes and return to Base44 to verify your domain. Wait for the DNS propagation, which can take up to 48 to 72 hours, but often happens much faster. Once verified, your Base44 app will be accessible via your custom domain. So basically come to this page, buy a plan and you'll be able to connect the domain from just right here. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.